Hey guys, welcome to the first episode of Working Money, getting your money working for you. I'm just a regular guy. I'm a freelancer. However, I do like to invest my money. I don't like working for my money. I like to invest my money and get my money working for me. So I'm big on investing in the stock market. I've dabbled in day trading a little bit. Now I mostly swing trade. I hold positions for longer, over several weeks or several months. And I also recently got into the cryptocurrency space, as a lot of you are probably interested in that. We see a lot of gains in that space, and so it's very can be very lucrative if you know what you're doing. And one of the cryptocurrencies that is very kind of in the spotlight these days is Ripple XRP. And I know that the market has been kind of pulling at our heartstrings a little bit. You know, market goes up, market goes down, market goes up, market goes down. And we want to kind of make some sense of this. So this video is actually going to be dedicated to Ripple XRP. The coin is down right now. As you can see here, guys, we're looking at Ripple is roughly just over 57 cents USD, and the same, you know, with Ethereum, Bitcoin, everything's kind of down. It's going, you know, it's kind of been downtrodden a little bit, and it's basing here. I'm going to use a little bit of technical analysis to discuss this, and I know that some people don't like really using technical analysis with cryptocurrency. As the modern investor, I follow him on YouTube. If you guys don't watch him, check him out. He's pretty cool. He knows his stuff in the cryptocurrency space. He's not big on technical analysis. I know he kind of doesn't really. He likes to kind of veer away from it, but technical analysis, I think, does have its place, especially in the stock market. And I believe that as more investors start to invest in cryptocurrency, and once we see the big institutional money coming in, technical analysis will probably be a little more useful for cryptocurrency. However, I still do like to use technical analysis to make trading decisions. I don't ever like to trade blindly, as I know some people like to do. I don't know why they do that, but whatever, it's their choice, I suppose. So, so this video again is about, you know, Ripple XRP. The coin is down, and should I buy? Because, you know, I've had a lot of my friends have asked me, hey, look, I know you're a trader. I know you're interested in stock trading and cryptocurrency trading and all that jazz. Should I get into crypto? Should I get into Bitcoin? Should I get into Ethereum? Should I get into Ripple? And I say, yeah, get into all of them. They're all, you know, we're at kind of this burgeoning kind of period where, you know, it's only going to be the Wild West for so much longer. And ultimately, I say, yeah, get into it, because, you know, only put in what you can afford. You know, as I might have to say this right now, I'm not a financial advisor by any means. I have no education on this, and you should always do your own research before you make decisions. But I tell my friends, hey, look, you know, like, if you have some money that you're looking to grow, definitely take a look at the cryptocurrency space and see, you know, and maybe put some money into a little Ripple or a little Bitcoin or a little Ethereum and see what happens. So I'm going to take a look today at XRP, especially XRP, and should I buy? Now everybody's like, oh, well, you know, it's got all this, you know, all this stuff's going on and the coin is down. And why is the coin down? Well, there are a few reasons the coin is down. One of the reasons is that the entire cryptocurrency market is down. So if you look at this XRP chart, we got XRP right here, and you can see the pattern, you know, back in November, December, January, we saw a huge bull rush up here. And then it topped out here at about just over $3. And then after, let's say the first half of January into about, what was it here, is maybe early April, we saw a huge decline in the market, and the cryptocurrency market lost a lot of its, what's the word I'm looking for? You know what I mean? It lost a lot of momentum. So it kind of came down, you know, corrected a little bit here and came down here. And as we can see, in early April, it kind of based here before it shot back up again. Now, people are asking about specific coins, and I've got to say that Ripple, based on the research that, I'm sure if a lot of you are watching this probably because you're already interested in Ripple, but yeah, like, Ripple is one of those coins that where this has happened, and people ask, well, should I buy Ripple, or should I buy Bitcoin, or should I buy Ethereum? And I say, you know what, guys? The top three, I think, are a no-brainer, and that's just my personal opinion. Again, do your own research and make choices based on your research, but I see this as, now, if you look at, okay, so here's the XRP chart, and you can see there's a huge bull run up, and then the market slowly declined here, and it started basing out here before it went up again. Now, let's look at the Bitcoin chart. Kind of the same thing. So, I mean, obviously not exactly a carbon copy of the Ripple chart, but it's a pretty similar chart. It went up at the same time. It topped out about here. Then in the early part of the year, it came down again into early April, as you can see here, and then it made a move up. So that is pretty much exactly what Ripple did. Bitcoin did the same thing, and Ethereum did the same thing. Up here, first part of the year, first quarter of 2018, it came down. And then as we can see, it kind of consolidated here around early April before it made another move up. And this is all just to say, guys, this is a no-brainer. The coins depend. It doesn't matter what coin you get into. If we're talking Ripple, every coin is doing the same thing. So the fact that, the market went up and now it's kind of coming down, and then it went back up again and it's consolidating here, we're in a good spot. No matter what coin you buy, but yes, Ripple in particular. And the reason why I say Ripple in particular is because, as we know, Ripple has real-world utility. I don't know if you guys follow DM Logic or Jungle Inc. Or Alex Cobb on YouTube and their Ripple XRP channels. They talk about this, and there's a lot of reasons why Ripple's such a good coin to hold. And I say, so long as Ripple is doing the exact same thing as the other coins, it's definitely a coin to buy. So let's go in here a little bit closer, and we'll look at Ripple on a 30-minute. And we can see it came down here, boom, before it bounced back up, then slowly went back down here, and then yesterday went back up again and slowly came down here. As we can see, this is what's known as a demand zone or support level. And this range here from the bottom of this candlestick, I'd say 55 cents to about 59 cents. Right now, again, what did we say we're at? We're at Ripple's at 57.5. So, I mean, I'd say yes, guys. Now is a good time to load up on your XRP. If you already have XRP, it's a good time, and you bought at $1 or $1.25, it's a good time to average down. But yes, ultimately, it's a good time to buy XRP, as it is a good time to buy every coin, or at least Bitcoin and Ethereum. I mean, everything is doing the same thing. You look at Ethereum on a 30-minute chart as well, and it's all doing the same thing, right? The patterns are almost identical. So this is a signal to a disciplined trader to say, hey, look, this is a really good opportunity. We saw a bearish trend down, and now it's consolidating in this zone. If we go back to the XRP chart and we look back at the daily, as we can see, last time it consolidated into this support level was back May 27th. And then it went up. Then it came back down again here. And now we're reaching this level here. It also touched at the top of these candlesticks here back in early April, which we said was a time of support, when the market kind of came to a grinding halt and then slowly settled down here in this support level before it shot back up again. So yes, I would say, based on the fact that we're hitting the support level again, and Ripple is such a good deal considering the real world utility that its future holds, now is a good time to load up on XRP if you haven't already. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Add a like to the video if you liked it, and tell your friends about the channel. I'm going to try to be doing more of these more often, but we'll see how it goes. All right, take care. Bye-bye.